Now I'm gonna have to check the link to see if we're live like I always do.
Well, it says it's live.
Is it showing? Okay, I'm live on YouTube.
Yeah, it says live on YouTube.
And you can hear me on YouTube.
No, I can hear you on Zoom.
Okay, it shows it's just a 30-second delay.
Okay.
Okay. And then making sure. Okay, yeah, it's a 30-second delay, so I can go ahead and go. All right, let me make sure that it keeps. And here, the channel. I want to make sure. Come on and see if the streaming is on. Come on. It doesn't show that the encoder started, but I am live, so I can go ahead and start. I'm just trying to see if it had the live recording, the live Zoom feed. I guess when I get through, I'll come back and see that because it's supposed to be over here. And this is what I was telling you. And it doesn't show. Maybe it'll show on this one. I'm going to start showing in a moment, folks. Just trying to see. And it got all that, so I can just. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and come on, start the show, and then I'll go back and correct all of that needs to be corrected. I know that I'm on because it's showing that I'm on. So, okay, so let me go to the chart. Good morning, everyone. Please excuse me for being late, not feeling so well this morning. This is Ms. Judy Robin Gunn, my host. I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., the Forex trading blogger. As a matter of fact, Ms. Judy Robin Gunn is my teammate. Judy, where are you from?
It's evening here in Perth in Western Australia, so good evening to everybody from wherever you are. Very excited for another week trading.
Great. And she has to have a camera off because she's in a background that can't be seen right now. It would make it easier for us to do the Zoom. So if you want to see who Miss Judy Robin Gunn is, you can go to her channel, or you can just follow her on in one of the social medias, or better yet, just look at the week from look at last week's hit list, and you see a pretty face. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the Forex trading bloggers weekly Delorean strategy hit list, and we always do this every week. Right now, we started with AUD, CAD. Now, if you look at the description, you'll see what the list, you'll see a description of what the list is about. But before I do that, I want to share with you 3 things real quick about how you can get this education, how you can really understand it. Give me another moment. We're going to be doing this every week. I wasn't feeling this well this morning, so I ran behind and didn't have everything set up. But just a moment, we're going to start doing the hit list. But for those that may want to learn how to do this, it's a very powerful thing. And by the way, Judy, did you examine the list at least one day last week to see if you could find something to trade?
Yes, I did. And I found 2 trades that I could have traded last week. And yeah.
Great.
Or 2, or maybe 2 or 3.
Great. And using the list, we can do that every day and find trades. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just share with you real quickly about IM Academy, where we got the information from that we learned, so that everyone that wants to learn this strategy and wants to be taught and wants us to help them, they can know where to go to get to join with us to learn this information. IM Academy has 3 sites. The main site is the customer and IBO say, IBO stands for independent business owner. That's what I am. Then they have for customers. You have the login site, and just very quickly I'll log in so that you can see that I do have a legitimate site that's on. And I'm gonna log in so you can see what this is about. And this is the home site. This is like the whole campus of everything. And it tells you different things that's going on. And I'll do this and then I'll log out. It has a menu board where you can reach everything on the side. It tells you the ranks, it tells you the promotions, it tells you all the company business and things like that. It also has a shopping cart where you would pay for the subscriptions that you have. So just very quickly, I'll log out of that one and go to the next one. And all of these sites are connected. Now we have im.center. This is where we have all of our products and everything, where you get a chance to really learn what IM Academy is about. Shall I say, you continue to learn what it's about. And as soon as it opens up, it has a menu board over here where what I like is the academies where you go, and I'll get to that in a moment. And we also have Pip Talk. What Pip Talk is that each one of the educators has a chat room that you can communicate with them on, as if they had a messenger on Facebook or a messenger on Instagram, anything like that, but it's a personal chat room so that you can stay in touch with them. And as I say, I'll come back later and I'll explain what all of these are, but how about I just show you a quick example when it says academies. These are the different courses. Just say right now you want to learn Forex, click on Forex, drop down window, it'll tell you what the series is about, handbook, what is Forex. How about just real quickly, I'll show you how it all works and then we'll move forward. See, it comes with a video, live training. I mean, what is Forex? It tells you the courses, things like that, so that you know the video work. I'll stop right there.
Welcome to the IM Mastery Academy for Forex. In this course, we'll be talking about what is FRX. Forex can be professionally abbreviated as FX or FRX.
Okay, so now you know what that's about. And it says return to the library, which is that in the home screen. So I'll go ahead and log out of this one. I showed you enough of that one. So I'm doing this to let you know that this is real. So that's where we go to the different softwares, and I'll do a presentation every week to show you that information. Then we have the other website that says go live. Now I just showed you where the classrooms are, where you learn the lessons, like you will have textbooks, and there's other things that tell you the different strategies and different things you can learn. Now here are the classrooms. These are the educators that teach. These are the featured educators. And you'll see here where you have the different courses. And remember, we just showed FRX. Now I'm gonna click on that in a moment to show you what it is. We also get the different strategies right here, different strategies. These are different trading softwares that you can have access to that are finding trades for you, and you just do what the software says do. But then you have the Market Mastery every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 p.m. Central. Mr. Chris Terry comes on, and he's a master trader. He's over this, and he teaches himself. Then we also have a collaboration with Mr. Bob Proctor. Down here where it says live educators, if there were live educators on, you would see them here, and you just click here and go straight to their classroom. But if this is what you get when you see a live educator, let's click on FRX. Right now there's none live, but you can see the classrooms. Now, what I'm gonna do is take you to what the Forex Delorean strategy is, and then we'll move forward into the strategy. Right here, Delorean, click on the Delorean and take me to the Delorean Classroom. This is like a specialist. You learn Forex, but if you want to become a specialist in a certain strategy, you can do that. Now, I'm showing you this to show you where it comes from. Mr. Tyrone Foster, Mr. Ava Melendez, Mr. Patrick Kinney. Mr. Foster is the originator. He co-founded this information with Mr. Patrick Kinney. Patrick Kinney is Mr. Tyrone Foster's first student. Look what the student has become, a teacher himself. So I'm going to show you the course. Now, right now, even though he isn't live, every session, and this is the bonus for you to understand, every session we have is recorded. So let's say I want to watch the one that he just recently did. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to advance the video. This is a recorded live trading session that he did Thursday. Yes, the educators come on live and trade with us live. Trying to see if you hear him talk. He's watching the market.
And you can get to ask them questions too when they're on live.
Oh, thank you, Judy.
Guys,
Yes.
on your side, let me know in the chats right now. Is your side looking like this? Because
This is the Delorean itself.
arrow's supposed to be there. So I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate. Yeah, you know, software is at the end of the day. So.
And right over here, as Judy said, you can ask questions if it was live. Let me see if it'll come on. Okay, if it was live, if the session was live, which he does trade live, you will see here where you can type in a chat and communicate with him live. When you type in here, when you type in here, it's like you're in a classroom raising your hand, and he will answer you. Now, this was the live one, but it is not recorded. So this is what the course says. You come down here where it says recorded session, click on favorites. You have the whole Delorean Forex trading course right here. This is the whole course right here. Now, where the steps that we are using to do the Forex trading Delorean hit list is blue waves, and we're using 3-day cycle. And this is where they come from, blue waves, 3-day cycle, and also where he teach you the exits of it, how to get out. And then further down, you'll see it's a part of it. I'll probably have to go over on the side. You'll see it's a part when you watch our recording where he says how to create a Delorean hit list. As you can see, we have a lot of videos, the whole course that you can learn, the whole course. So there is nothing that would hinder you from learning this strategy. Again, there is nothing that would hinder you from learning this strategy. You agree, Judy?
Yeah, I was just going to say this, having all the sessions recorded and placed down the bottom, if you can't make a class, it's just like you're in the university, if you can't make the class, then the recording is there for you to watch, and you get to watch it over and over again. I mean, I know when I started, I was in the class, I watched the recording, but I still go back and watch different recordings as a refresher course. So you always have that information to go back and study up. Some people get things on the first time, and if you're like me, you're a little bit slow, you need to watch it 2 or 3 times, and that's fine. It's always there ready for you to do so.
That's right. And one thing that I do, I don't have my notes with me, but I'll after the educators get through teaching, like Tyrone has a course, I'll click on the video. Let's just say Exit University. I'm going to click in, you'll see. And then we go to the Forex trading, doing the Forex trading hit list. As you can see, I clicked on the recording, it comes up.
For you guys. Now,
see, and while I'm doing this, as you can see me advancing through, this is what I usually do. I take my notes. As you can see, you can go where you want to go. And I let the video play.
It's like, yo,
I let the video play. I stop and I take my notes, and then I have information from the course. I can take that and implement it. And again, if it's a question I have, I can ask on the live session, right, Judy?
Yep, after you've been through and taken your notes, and if you didn't understand anything, you just come to the class next time and you ask that question and he will answer it.
Right. Or again, the bonus is I can go to Pip Talk.
Yes.
Yeah, so we always have access, and we are always connected to the educators. And if I
don't forget the Facebook group. We have a Facebook group too.
Oh yes, we do have a Facebook group. Let me do that real quick.
Yeah, you can go in there, and if you ask a question in there, and there's always people to help you.
And let me see, Delorean. Thank you, Judy, for reminding me of that.
Yeah, it's a really good group in there. You can ask questions and
yes. See, this is the Delorean Facebook group for everyone that has it. You can ask questions. And you'll find people like Judy and myself that will answer questions, and Tyrone himself is in there. So you get all types of help because, again, Judy and myself can also answer questions because we work with our team. So I wanted to show you that information. And for those that want more information, we'll have a link in the description right below the video where you can get in contact with us and ask for more information. And you also can become a part of this with us and learn how to become a profitable Forex trader. And just to let you know, we trade Forex, we trade crypto, and we trade binary. Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch is our other educator for Forex and for crypto. And we also, again, trade binary. And you will see this hit list is made of we do 3 hit lists in one. Judy, could you explain before I start what hit list we have and how they can identify each hit list by colors?
Oh, yes. Okay, so we have 3 hit lists, and we mark the ones that are for binary. If they qualify for binary, we mark them with an orange color. You see on the side there, the little orange tag. And if they qualify for a binary trade and also a Forex trade, we color them green. And then if they are just qualifying for Forex by itself, they're purple. Have I got that right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Right
Yeah,
there.
they're purple for Forex. Yeah. So then we have those colors on there, so we know it just organizes it better, so we know where we're trading them.
And the red represent my favorite pair.
Yeah. Well,
And
I have.
and I'll
too,
trade that. Yes. Okay. So now we can go into the hit list, and the market closed right here. And I have an indicator right here that lets me know when last week began. That way I don't be looking at the wrong week. And what you're looking at, these lines here, these are called session breaks. This identified the close of the beginning of a new trading day. So when the market opens on Sunday evening for me, it would be Monday morning for you. Would it be Sunday night for you?
Monday morning.
Monday
morning.
The
Early,
market, okay. It'll be a blue line that comes here that signals the opening of a new day, and then you will see this indicator forming. But I'll tighten it up where you can see this was the week before. See, this it was last week. Right here started that, and then you can see the week before, and then you see another week. So this is how this will lets me know the different weeks that I'm in. That's why I have that. And as you can see, last week, at the beginning of last week, just real quick from looking at this, these D, you see these indicators, this D stands for Doji. Just to let you know, a quick little bonus here. Trading MT4, if you're trading on your MT4, it does give you an opportunity to see dojis, and we have training that will show you how to make your doji stand out. But in TradingView, it does not show dojis. So you have to have an indicator that identifies dojis for you. In other training, I will explain the purpose of a doji, but it's very important to understand what that doji is telling you when you see a doji show up on the chart. That way you'll know what to do as far as trading. But again, this is this signal of last week, so this is where I'll start. I just wanted to show you how it works. So right now, just letting you know that this itself, this pair itself did move. Just so happened it wasn't a part of our hit list, but it did move. Isn't that nice? And I can tell you exactly right now, it's just about ready for a turnaround. Almost ready. So what we'll do, and again, this is the weekly Forex, the Delorean Forex trading strategy hit list. I'm Tyree Thomas Jr. and I'm with my co-host, Ms. Judy Robin Gunn. We're doing the Delorean Forex trading strategy hit list for this week of November the 18th to November. No, excuse me, not November. October the 18th to October the 23rd. Now, utilizing the blue wave strategy in a 3-day cycle. So Judy, right now we're gonna start, let me see, measure. So did it qualify?
No, but it didn't qualify for Forex. Where's the number? Yes, it qualifies for binary.
Take another look at it.
Where's
Right here.
oh no, it doesn't. No, 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 no. It doesn't qualify for binary. Sorry.
Okay.
So we leave that one.
Yeah, that way you can see the numbers a little better. Is that easier
Yeah.
seeing the numbers? Okay.
Yes, it is, yeah.
Okay. So let me put my glasses on so I can read. We'll move on to the next pair. Did it qualify for binary?
No.
And we're going to see if it qualifies for Forex. Did it qualify for Forex?
No.
Okay, so we go to the next pair. Did it qualify for binary?
Yes.
Right here?
No.
Okay.
That's a 1. No, no, it didn't.
And when they join with us, we'll teach them the strategy of how they can tell
Yes.
where a pair qualifies for binary.
No.
So it doesn't qualify for Forex, so we keep it moving. Now, does it qualify for binary?
Yes.
Okay, so we automatically know that it would be an orange color, am I right?
Yeah, that's orange. So what's that one? That's AUD Nzd.
And it's one of the what kind of men, Judy?
That's one of the 5 wise men.
Yes, so that qualifies because you have to give it an additional extra amount of pips. We're not going to say because I don't want to tell. I want them to join so they can learn this strategy.
Mm-hmm.
So this is AUD Nzd, and it's going to qualify for both. So what color?
Yeah, it is. So now we have that a green.
Okay, and so to let us know, we know it's we put, what do we put on our list to let us know? We put a check for
Yeah, we put
Forex.
a check and a star.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this 69 pips. And
we're writing all this down. We take note of this, so this becomes our list, so we can check it every day.
yes, got to write it into my logbook. As you see, I wrote that down. And so it's 69 pips, and the price point is
1.07103.
So I know where the market's finished. So it's and this lets me know. And I'm gonna go here, make it a little larger. Well, I can see. Okay, so it's this is in an actual sell trend. So this be 15-minute sell trend. Look at that nice trend. Pull back, drop, pull back, drop. This lets me know what level is on. So right now is in a sell trend. 15-minute sell trend. So write down 15 on the 15-minute time frame sell trend. Let me see. And then I go to the 4-hour to see the confirm. Yep, definite sell trend. Definite. It's still falling. And wow, it hadn't started the 3rd level yet. It just now starting the 3rd level. And Judy, I don't know if I'll show you how to identify the 3rd level, and that's what a 3-day cycle does. It lets me know that it's still gonna fall some more on the 15-minute time frame. And I'll share those notes with you. I forgot to go through that with you last week.
No, you did. We did go through the levels, and I've almost got it. I'm going to go through it again, and I should be right.
Okay, there we go. So that right there lets me know that it still has some more to go. So 15-minute sell trend and 4-hour sell trend. So I know right there, both of those match up, both of those time frames match up. Now, when both of the time frames match up like that, that tells me this is going to be a strong trend. that
That's right.
momentum is strong. And this tells me I can definitely trade binary with this. And
Mhm.
knowing that I'll trade, if I'm trading binary, Judy, what direction will I trade?
Binary, it's in a cell, so that's a call.
A sell.
Put. I get them mixed up.
Yeah, it's easy because it's information we have to know, but it'll happen. But one thing I can say, when we're trading it live, she does not get it mixed up. She's always on point.
No, because it's on the chart, you can see it.
Yes. So now we go to AUD.
Oh, hang on, did you put the color on? That's got to have a green.
Oh, that's right. It gotta have a green. So let me go here. Thank you, Judy. Okay, so now we go to AUD, measure it.
AUD. So that qualifies, no, it doesn't qualify for binary. And it doesn't qualify for Forex either.
So we keep it moving, go to AU. Oh, we on AU, excuse me.
Oh yeah, next
Now
one.
we go to CAD. Last week CAD was binary. Last week I used AJ, GJ. I'm trying to remember what else I used. And
This
CAD.
one qualifies for binary this week as well.
Yes, okay, so it qualifies for binary. Let me measure. It may not qualify for Forex. And it doesn't, because here's the purple line.
Oh, there's the purple line there.
It's
Okay.
right on it.
No, that's no good.
And it's resetting too. See, there's the purple line. We can really see it now. And it's right on it.
So that's a 15-minute reset.
Yes. Well, actually, it's in a pullback. Yeah, it's now that I shrink it, it's bunched together. So yeah, it's a 15-minute pullback. 15-minute reset. And for the sake of binary, I noticed, let me see. I'll say 2 pips. So this is CAD, CHL.
And what is it on the 4-hour?
Okay, so 15-minute sell trend. 15-minute reset.
Reset, yeah. So 4-hour.
Let me see. I can tell you what type. This is this is a pullback to. It's pulling back to the first level. So it's gonna be. It should definitely be a reset on the 15-minute time, 4-hour time frame. So I'll say, and it's a pullback on a sale. So I'll say 15-minute. I'm just gonna say 15-minute reset sale. So I'll know what direction. Reason why I'm saying reset, it's a 15-minute reset. But the reason why I'm saying reset sale is to let me know it's in a pullback and that the momentum is in a sale direction.
That's right. Yeah.
So I can actually look to trade this binary and Forex. Right now, it only qualifies for binary, but because it's in a reset, by the time Tuesday and Wednesday start, this is going to be ready to be looked at for Forex. Because one thing we do is, although it may not qualify for Forex right now, when we're looking at the list through the day, through the different days, we find a different pair every day, or it might be the same pair. If this pair qualifies, even though it's binary, we still look at it after we go through Forex pairs. We still look at it and see if a binary pair qualifies. Remember that, Judy?
Yeah.
So we go to 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, it pulled back, and it's trying to reset. There we go. That's the reset. Remember I said 4-hour reset? So yeah, 4-hour reset, but on the 4-hour, you can see where it's kind of, it created a higher high from this high here. Yeah. Okay. this was the low, and then a lower high. I mean, a higher low, and then it turned, and then when it dropped, it broke the level on this higher low. So that tells me that the trend is over with. You agree, Judy, or disagree?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
So it's a legitimate sell trend because it created a higher low. So now this is on the first level reset, 4 hour first level sell reset. So Judy, what I recommend writing is 4 hour first level sell reset.
Yeah, got that.
And these notes let me know exactly where the market was and what it's gonna do. Okay, now we can go on to the next one. Let me go back to the 15-minute time frame. And look like CAD.
That qualifies for binary.
Okay, this is not a pair that trades on binary.
Oh no, they don't either. That's right.
At least not on the broker we use. So, and it doesn't qualify for Forex either. So we keep it moving. It
Doesn't
does,
qualify for binary, no.
and it does trade on binary though. So let me
Yeah.
see. Okay. And it doesn't qualify for Forex either.
No.
Okay, so we keep it moving. And this DXY, that's the dollar index. We use that as a cheat sheet. So we go on the EA. I have that red, that's my favorite pair.
Mm-hmm.
It gives a lot of pips, EA. Okay, it does not qualify for binary. I mean, Forex. It doesn't qualify for either one. For right now, I'll take that off. I'll come back and put it on myself, but that's one of my favorite pairs I trade. So we go to ECAD. Let me take some of that off. Does ECAD qualify for binary?
No.
And I traded ECAD and EA last week binary because it's my favorite pair. I use them for, I traded binary and Forex. So does this qualify for Forex?
Yes.
Okay, so, and that's 49 pips.
So that's 1.5453.
Okay, so.
No, that is that EURCA. No, that doesn't qualify for binary. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong number.
No, it doesn't qualify for binary, but it does qualify for Forex.
Oh, okay, that's right. Yeah.
That's what I wrote down, the 49 pips.
Yeah. 538. Okay.
Okay, so Judy, what would it be? Okay, so we know the direction that it's going.
So it's in a downtrend and it's in a pullback. Now it's coming back down.
And when the
Okay.
EMAs are bunched up together like that,
That's the sell. It's going to come down.
okay, 15-minute reset, sell, okay? So the 15-minute reset sell.
Yeah. And that's got to have a purple color.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, 15-minute reset sale. So looking at this, it should be okay. This should be on the first level of 4 hour. Be right in the 4 hour. Is going to be on a slight pullback on the first level 4 hour. See, slight little pullback. Because this is the downtrend.
Yeah.
And a slight level, slight pullback is like
Yeah.
slight pullback. Yeah. So it's on the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour, there we go. 4 hour is on the 4 hour. We're gonna first level. It's not resetting, okay? It's not resetting because the EMAs are not together. So the 4 hour first level sale trend. Okay, Judy?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, now I didn't write the price point down for CAD for CAD CHF. I'm gonna have to go back.
Oh, that's 0.69315.
And that was binary.
Yes,
And this qualifies for Forex.
correct.
Okay. And this is gonna be so cool. Man, this thing, when it drop, it's gonna drop. It didn't do much dropping last week. Wow.
No, it was consolidating a lot.
Yeah, so this thing is gonna, let me see. We're in the middle of the month. Let me just examine something real quick. I'm just anxious to see something. I'm gonna move forward. I just want to see something. Let me see. I just want to see what. Wow, wow, wow. When it does drop, what is it doing for this month? I'm looking at the Delorean on here, so it's gonna come back. So it is gonna drop. It has to come back here. So right now we're looking at least a 133 fall next week. So I analyzed that it may drop at least 150 pips this week on Forex. That's for a monthly level right there. Yeah, so we looking at a nice setup for this week for this. So right now, when it come out of reset, I'm expecting ECAD to drop. That's that slight pullback. What does it always pull to before it makes another move, Judy?
The aqua, and that comes back.
And it's right there. Look at that. And that confirms that what I just said. That confirms that. And you confirmed that when you said that it goes back to the aqua. So that's great. Judy, Judy, you know you're awesome. So that's purple. Let me keep moving. Let me keep it moving. We just supposed to be doing the hit list, not training, not teaching. I know people are watching it, so let me be respectful of their time. So this qualifies for, does it qualify for Forex, Judy?
No.
Does it?
How much is it? 34. Oh.
Okay. It's a certain amount of pips that it has to have in the blue wave strategy so that it can qualify to be traded next week. So that is 34 pips. What's the price point?
1.07111.
Okay, it does not qualify for binary. So this is a 15-minute, it's on the first level. This is definitely going to be in consolidation on the 15-minute first. Can you see why I said the first level, Judy?
Yeah.
And so it'd be 15-minute. What would it be, Judy? 15-minute first level?
Sell.
Sell, and since the EMAs are bunched up.
To sell. Oh, it's a sell trend.
So I'm gonna put 15-minute first level, because that lets me know I still got 1 to 2 more levels to go. The market gonna give you, the market falls in 3 levels, but the 3rd level isn't always promised. So you can just about get 2 levels. So that's why I always say 15-minute first level reset. It lets me know that it's gonna fall a second level, possibly a third level. That's
You're
part of the-
teaching again.
Oh,
You're giving away too many secrets.
So forgive me, Judy. Okay. I'm writing this down. Let me see what it is on the 4 hour. There we go. See, and this lets me know that it did do the first level. So I now know that, yep. So it's 4 hour. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's just getting there too. Wow. Wow, that is nice. So 4 hour. What would that be, Judy? 4 hour first level?
For our first level cell.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's a purple. Oh, it's already purple, so it can stay the same.
Okay.
So what's the next one? Eur Gbp.
I know it's late where you are, Judy, so I'm gonna hurry up. Okay, EUR, and I traded EUR GBP last week for binary also.
Doesn't qualify this week.
It doesn't, so now I can take that off because it doesn't qualify for binary. And it doesn't qualify for Forex either, because there's, I can tell you right now, it doesn't qualify for Forex.
No, no.
I'll measure it anyway. Nope. So we move on to the next one. EJ does EJ qualify for binary?
Yep, it does.
Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Yep. How many pips is that, Judy?
40
What's the price point?
is 123.465. 123.465.
Now they wonder why it has a different amount of pips in the behind the decimal point. That's why they can join with us and get access to the education that we showed them at the beginning of this hit list.
That's correct.
Now, and it qualifies for binary and Forex, and it did fall last week. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is nice. Nice.
So what's that? 15-minute sell.
What direction?
And what is
trend?
sell?
Okay, sell trend and
the 4 hour.
And right now it's on the second level.
Yeah.
It came back and retested. Let me not say nothing. So 15 minutes, second level. Sell
and
you
4
can see,
hour.
yeah, it's the EMAs are touching so that at 15 minute second level reset sell trend. And the reason why I say sell trend, because it can also be in a BTS. BTS is another one part of the strategy. I can say sell BTS, and that let me know we understand what BTS means in our training. So I have to identify sell trend versus BTS sell, because there's two different types of sales that it'll let me that it would identify with, and depending on the language of the word BTS or either sell trend, I'll know which direction the market is trending. And that is also in the training, Blue Waves and BTS. There are 3 signature trades with the Delorean strategy. the 3 signature trades is the vector. You like that one, Judy?
Mm-hmm.
And then the BT, the 50-50 bounce.
Yeah.
And then the BTS. So when I hear the word, if I mention 15-minute BTS sale, it lets me know the market is in a certain direction, doing a certain thing, and I use the entry strategy that I just mentioned. So right now, this is going back and test second level, so it should definitely be on the first level in the 4-hour. And it is. So 4-hour first level, and it's just 4-hour first level sale trend.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And that qualifies for both, so you need a green on that.
Okay. Okay, so green on this one. All right. Okay, so the next one was EN. Let me see. I said ECAD were the 5 wise men. No, I didn't. EN is 5 wise men. So we're still right. So let me see. Does it qualify for bonding?
No, you're still on EJ. You have to change to EN, the next one down.
Thank you, Judy.
That one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Now,
so that qualifies for binary.
So EJ qualified for both. Okay, now this one EN qualifies for binary.
Mm-hmm.
And it's in a man, that's in a strong reset. How many pips is that? That's barely 1 pip.
Mm.
Can you see the price point?
Yeah, it's 1.77310.
Okay, now EURCHF, it only qualified for Forex, not binary.
EUR Nz, what we're doing now, that qualifies for.
I'm looking at my list because but EJ qualified for both. I had marked them down wrong. Okay, that's checking and start makes a big difference. Okay, so EN, it does not qualify for Forex, but it qualifies for binary. Is 1 pip. So right now, man, it's a strong reset. That's first level too. Wow, that's first level. Yeah. So what would that be, Judy?
That's got to be orange.
Well, how would I write this down?
Oh, okay. So 15 minutes is beyond 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is uptrend. No, it's resetting, I think.
It's a 15-minute buy. It's a 15-minute reset buy. If it's not going to be a resetting. So the 15-minute first level. You see?
Yeah.
15-minute first level reset buy.
And the 4-hour?
And the 4-hour going to be in a strong consolidation. It's going to probably be in consolidation on the 3rd level. It's strong consolidation too. It was in consolidation all the week before. I mean, for 2 days.
Yeah. Okay, so that's got to be orange.
Yeah, and it's stuck.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see something. It's stuck on that first level. Yeah. Yeah, it's stuck. It's on a pullback.
Can't
See
see
here-
that, the chart's too small.
Yeah, I'm just showing like, see like here where it kept downtrending, 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 right here.
Mm-hmm.
Just follow the color of the orange and yellow is downtrending. And then it changed and it started creating higher highs. See here? And when this closed right here above this, that lets me know that the trend changed. And now, see right here, and then look over here,
Mm-hmm.
and it pulled back. So this, let me, I'm teaching again. Let me move on.
You are moving along.
So 4 hour first level. Yeah, let me be quiet. For our first level, reset by trend. Okay, let me. So
And
that's
change it to orange.
okay. I'm about to give away too much. Yeah. I'll come back and finish analyzing it later. EU, I need to speed it up. We've been on this for a while. EU, how many pips does EU qualify for binary?
Yes, it does.
Let me speed up. And it qualifies for Forex.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's 37 pips. And the price point?
1.7133.
So that means it qualifies for both?
Mm-hmm. That's green color.
Yes, ma'am. So this is 15 minute. Now, this is 15 minutes second level sale, okay, Judy? I won't say how to tell, but it's second level sale.
Yeah. Come join us and you will learn all these secrets and you too can trade like we do.
Let's say reset sale. And the 4 hour should be right on the first level or in the middle of the second level. Yeah, first level. And it created a lower low, so yeah, it's first level, 4 hours of sale.
Okay. And did you make that green?
Okay, I'm writing down 4 hour first level.
I think I write faster than you.
Yes, ma'am. It's on a reset. Okay. And I need to make that's green. Green, right, Judy?
Yeah, green.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to the 15 minute. I'm trying to
No, the 15 minute is the second level sell.
Okay, got that. So we go to pound pair.
And that qualifies for binary.
Okay, and this is GA. So right now, I know the Euro pairs are going to be real busy next week. So,
Did you measure how many pips?
let me do that. Doesn't qualify for Forex.
No.
But it's 101 pips. Does it qualify for binary?
Yes.
No. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it says 101 pips. I know you can't really see it because I have this right here, but we can look over here too.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So what's the price point?
Is 1.82310.
Okay, so I know that gets a star. Now, is on the is in the middle of the second level.
Make it bigger so I can see.
One. Yes, it's beginning the second level. No, it's beginning third level. It's on its way to the third level. It's at the second level right now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, now I need
So
to.
15 minutes, second level.
Yeah, let me.
So 4 hour.
Wait a minute, Judy. One moment. That's gonna still be on. That's buying. That's buying. That's 15 minutes. That's buying. Yeah, that's buy trend. It broke this right here, Judy. It broke this and it came back and tested it. So it's a buying. So that's gonna actually be the first. It completed the first level because that's the first level. So yeah, it's gonna be the second level. You're right, Judy. And is
4 hour.
there's a second level buy, 15-minute second level. That's not going to be a reset because it's got enough space in between. They're not bunched up. Let me hurry up. Yeah, that's yeah, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. It completed the first level. Yeah, it's in the middle of the second level. So it's 4 hour second level buy.
Okay, and that's orange.
It's buy trend. That's orange. Okay, now go to the next one. That's GCAD. Does it qualify for binary?
Yep.
Let's see if it qualifies for Forex. Doesn't qualify for Forex.
No, 64 pips.
Okay, 64 pips. What's the, let's see.
Price point is 1.70267.
Yeah, I need to take my med. We're almost done. That's why I'm a little off. Okay, would you mind calling this one for me, Judy?
So this is the 15-minute. Are you on 15 minutes? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 15
You have
minutes.
to make. I can't see it. You have to make it bigger.
Okay, I'm just tightening it up so you can see there. It dropped and came back and tested that.
That's on the second level then.
Yes, ma'am. It's beginning the second level. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it a buy or sell?
It's a sell.
Okay. So it'd be, what would it be? 15-minute second level
So
sell trend. Okay. And then so it should be, since it's trending, it should be, when I'm looking at it like this, it's going to be right in the middle of the fourth, be right after the fourth, after the first level of the 4 hour. Yep. Yeah. It was, there we go.
cell.
Yes, ma'am, second level. It came back, it's in the middle of the second level. See here? Where,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna show you real quickly. And I wanna know if you agree with me. This is a low. This is a higher, this is a low, higher high, then in a higher low, then higher high. I mean, a higher high, not a higher low, higher high. I mean, yeah, lower high. Excuse me, Jude. I'm bugging out here. Lower high. What is, anyway,
Yeah.
I feel like I said, just a pullback to
Yeah.
let me know it completed the first level. So it's in the second level, and what it did, it hit the second level, it pulled back to the first level, testing that so it can go on up and proceed to the third level. That's why it says in the middle.
Yeah.
It's in the middle of the second level. Okay, so so right now it'll be 4 hour. So since it's in the middle of the second level, it's in the middle of the second level. So that'll mean it's on a reset, 4 hour reset buy. So 4 hour second level reset buy.
Okay, go and take your meds.
Okay. Let me write this down. I'll just say buy. I won't even say second level. I mean, I won't say reset. Give me a moment. And I'll go to the next. And what color is this supposed to be?
This has got to be orange.
Okay, and I'll go to the next one and let you be looking at that. Can you see that while in the next one? Can you see that while I go get my meds?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I can say that. Yeah.
Be right back. You can take over for me, please.
Okay, so if I can see this right, so it does qualify. No, it doesn't qualify for binary. And I can't measure because I don't have access to this chart. I can't measure how many pips it is, whether it's going to qualify for Forex. So, but it's in a sell. In a sell downtrend, if I'm right, on the 15 minutes. So we'll see when Tyree comes back, we can measure the pips. And where's the purple line? Oh, down there. Actually, I don't think it's going to qualify for Forex. Where's the purple line? Oh yeah, I can see the purple line. It's up the top there in the middle of the red, two red dotted lines. So measure from there down to where the price stopped at. So the price stopped at 1.18071. So if he measures from there up to the purple line, I think that's going to be, is it 71 to 430? I don't think that's going to qualify for Forex either. We'll see if I'm right. So if anybody's interested in learning this strategy, you can contact Tyree or myself, and we'll gladly help you along your way.
How they get in contact with us?
Our contact details will be under this video, or you can see us on our Facebook page, send us a message. Have you got your Instagram in there, Tyree?
Yes, I'm gonna put the links. I have to put the links in, and what I do is I put the blog link in there.
Oh yeah, okay. The links will be down the bottom anyway. You can just click on any of them.
Yeah, all my information is on that blog, on my blog, and where they can always find me. They have my social medias and everything, along with information on how they can become a part of the team. Okay.
So this is GBP CHF. It doesn't qualify for binary, and I don't think it qualifies for Forex, but I couldn't measure. You got the
Okay.
tools.
Yeah, I need to give you control of that. So it qualifies. So that's 37.
Oh yeah, it does qualify. Okay, 37 pips.
Yeah, I'm gonna do something in a moment. So from now on, you have control when we're on. I need to remember to start doing that.
Okay, so the price point is 1.18071. And that,
So it gets a star. And this is GCHF.
no, that gets a tick.
Okay, thank you.
CHF. And
Okay,
this is
so
this is a good sell.
yes, sure is.
Very good sell.
15-minute is his first level too. It's going to the second level.
And the 4 hour?
Excuse me, Judy, just bugging out of the meds. 15-minute first level.
I've written it down. I can give it to you after.
Okay, good.
So just look at the 4 hour and see.
First level. See, it's still in the first level. It came back and it tested. Yeah, it's in the first level. It hadn't even completed the first level yet. It's in the middle of the first level. So you can just it's 4 hour it's like resetting and reset first level buy. I mean sell.
I was going to say it's a sell. Okay, and that color is purple.
Okay, got that.
Okay, make the color purple.
I have to hurry up. My heart patient, and sometime it kicks in. It's the reason why I learned to trade Forex. I was in an auto accident some years back, and I got trapped in it, crunched up in the car, and it changed my whole life. It broke my life. It broke my body, and it broke my life. And what do I mean by broke my life? The skills that I had, things that I used to do, I could no longer do them because I was not physically able anymore. So since I could not generate an income for myself and for my family, I couldn't use those skills anymore. My life was broken. So I had to learn how to earn money in different ways. I had a trucking company and I had 10 trucks and couldn't keep them. So I learned how to trade Forex. Thanks to God, I learned how to trade Forex. I restructured my life. Now my life is fixed because I can now be profitable in my life. I have a skill set I can use that I can create a life with. So now my life is fixed again, and my health is at a point to where, yes, I'm disabled according to man terms, but according to Tyree terms, I'm not disabled because I'm still functionable. So we move on to GJ, and GJ.
Yeah, did you change the HF? That's got to be purple. Yes, yeah, that's right. Yeah, GJ's next.
Okay, GJ. So now we on GJ. We on the
doesn't qualify for binary.
Doesn't qualify for binary. Let me see if it qualifies for Forex. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm sure it does. Yes. So it's 46 pips.
$136.109.
And gets a check in 15 minutes. 15-minute first level reset sale.
And the 4 hour.
And 4 hour gonna be on the first level. Yep, 4 hours on the first level. 4 hour first level reset sale. So this is a fresh drop.
Okay. And that is a orange. Oh, no, purple.
Purple. Okay, purple. Now we go to the next one. Gbp Nzd, which is one of the 5 wise men.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this might not qualify for, so it doesn't qualify for anything
No.
because price is right on it.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing here is going to really cut up next week. Yeah, this thing is going to really cut up. It's going to
Check that on Monday.
Yes, this is going to cut up. It's a strong, when you see that purple in there too,
Mm-hmm.
that purple EM8, and when you see this green EM8, when you see all of them like that, man, this thing is going to be strong movement next week. Let me see.
Next.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get you to finish because you need just.
Okay. Yeah, you're right, Judy. You're right. So this is
Gbp USD. That doesn't qualify for binary.
okay.
How many pips is it for Forex? 35.
Pips. And price point is
1.29146.
So it gets a check. And this is 15 minutes. Okay, it's in a sale. Because it didn't come back and break that. It's in a sale. Okay. So it's getting ready to start the second level.
Mm-hmm. And 4 hour?
So it's still at the first level right now. It came back and tested it. So it's the 15 minute, I gotta write it down, 15 minute. First level. Sell. And the 4 hours is gonna be consolidation. Yeah, 4 hour consolidation. It's right there at that first level sale, 4 hour first level sale.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that one gets a purple.
Okay, purple. Okay, now we almost done. In pairs and U pairs, and we be done. And just so they would know, this also work on indices and commodities like the NAS 100, I mean NASDAQ. It works on that too. It works on US 30 and all of that. And you can trade that on binary. I'm just doing Forex right now. We'll do that another time, but not right now. So
what pair are you on? NZD CAD.
NZD CAD does trade.
Okay.
It does
that
trade.
Qualifies.
It trades on binary. NCAD on the broker that we have, Judy, it's the only one, it's the only N pair that trades on binary.
Yeah, that's right.
So let me measure the pips. That's price.
Hmm.
37. So it qualifies for both. Price point is 87045.
Mm-hmm.
It gets a check and a star.
Mm-hmm.
Let me turn it green, and then I'll say, then you can tell me what it is. So that's a nice sale. It completed the first level, so it's on its way to the second level.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's beginning the second level. So that's 15 minutes. Will that be 15 minute what?
Second level. Sell. 4 hour. What's the 4 hour?
Judy, what I want to do real quick, ask for control. Because let me see, where's that star? Let me do this. I got it to where you can share screen now. See if you can ask for control. I'll tell you what I can do. I'll start doing this. Participants, I'll start doing this. I'll make you co-host. That way you have everything. You'll be able to do whatever I'm doing. Okay?
Okay.
See if you can, if you could move the mouse, please.
No.
Okay. See if you can ask for control, because I made you co-host and I don't know why.
No, I can't find it in here. Oh, here it is.
See if you
The
can move
host
the
just
mouse.
asked you to start your video.
Okay, don't worry about that. I just did
That's
that.
not it.
I was trying this. I know it's a section in there and let you ask
Yeah, I
for.
can't see it. Oh, don't worry.
Okay, so we'll do that next time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 4 hour. Okay, it just went back and tested it. See that level right there? And that's where it is now. So it completed the first is completed the first level, 4 hour first level sale. It's on the second level of the 15 minute, but the first level of the 4 hour.
Okay, so that one needs a green, which is green already.
Okay, green. Okay, did that. Now we go to the next one, which was in CAD. I mean in. It doesn't qualify, and we don't. It doesn't trade binary, so we don't have to worry about that one. Go to this one. It qualifies. It's 26 pips. So that's 26 pips. Okay. Price point.
69.592.
And we're doing our Delorean strategy weekly hit list, Forex trading weekly hit list. This is Miss Judy Robin Gunn. And where are you from, Judy?
Perth, Western Australia.
And I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., the Forex Trading Blog. I'm located right here in Houston, Texas, USA. And that's first level sale.
So, yeah.
Well, first level buy, it broke that. That's first level buy. Yeah, and it did not break that level there. It created a lower high, so that's a buy. It's on the first level. It's going to come back and test that. So it's 15-minute first level. And 4 hour, yep, definitely first level. It's in the middle of the first level. And it's just now starting it, really. Yeah, in the middle of the first level.
And that's a buy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It did. See, it's in the middle of this high. See where it went?
Yeah.
And let me not start teaching. Let me just do this list. I'm learning. I'm doing best, Judy.
You're doing all right.
Okay, so they tell me this is gonna be a strong rise. Strong rise.
Okay, so that's you need that to be an orange.
This is actually a pullback. Yeah, this is actually a pullback. It's actually tested. This is a sale. Oh, wow, this thing been amazing. Sale and then come back and test the first level. So, yeah, it's just testing the first level. Let me get a stronger look. It's coming out. Yes, this is actually a sale. So I need to relook. I'm gonna look at the first 15 minutes. This is a sale. It did not break that. When it pulled back, it did not break it. That trend is broken. This is no here. So it's a buy. It's a buy. It's a buy. It hadn't broken that. That's where the original push started way back here. The original push started in March 2020. This started around about the time of COVID. Here.
It's very difficult for people to see that because you can't see it.
Okay.
All I can see is just red and yellow.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
And that red and yellow, when you see it stop, the yellow stop down there, this is the direction of price, the direction of the momentum of the chart, of the pair.
You're teaching.
Oh, okay. So this is a buy, as we said. This 4 hour first level buy. Okay, let me stop. And let me go to the next pair. So that's
orange.
No, look at it again.
Oh, purple, sorry.
And remember, NJ does not trade binary.
No.
Yeah, I'm teaching, and let me. Sorry, Judy.
That's all right.
Yeah.
You're just doing what comes natural, but you have to.
Yeah. Okay, so the next pair is NU. And yeah, that's in a buy also. Yeah, that's definitely a buy.
Can you measure the pips to see if it qualifies?
I had to look and see something because it looked like it's been kind of ranging. Okay, measure the pips. It really does not qualify for Forex. It's on 23 pips. It's close enough. But at the beginning of the week, it's going to qualify. It's just close enough. It's on.
We can have a look at that on Monday.
Yeah.
Next. UCAD.
UCAD. Right now.
Doesn't qualify the binary.
It ain't going to qualify for Forex either.
No. Next.
Man, that's nice.
UCHEF.
It ain't going to qualify for Forex.
It qualifies for binary though.
Okay. So that was 2 pips. And the price point is
0.91457.
so it qualifies for binary. Okay. So it's actually a 15-minute reset. That's still on a reset.
Okay, and for 4 hour?
I'm trying to determine is a reset sell or reset buy. It's still in the sell because it hadn't broken this here last high. So it's like a 3rd level reset. Yeah. Yes, it's still in the sell, Judy.
Mm-hmm.
It's on its way to the 3rd level. So that'll be 15-minute reset, 3rd level sale.
Mm-hmm.
And as I said, sometimes the rule is the market's supposed to give you 3 levels, and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes they give you just 2 and turn around. This is a legitimate picture of 3 levels. So we go to 4 hour. It should be right at the 2nd level. Yeah. Right at the 2nd level, getting ready to drop and create a 3rd level. So it's 4 hour reset, 2nd level sale, and not 3rd level. 4 hours 2nd level reset sale.
Mm-hmm.
It's trending too.
Mm-hmm. So that's orange. Oh, it's already orange.
No, it doesn't trade binary. It's gonna stay purple.
Oh, okay.
And that's UCAD. Oh yeah, orange. And it trade, it's gonna be it does okay, yeah, it's orange. I did change. I'm still kind of not up to par. Thank you, Jude. I'm glad you're watching it. You're right. It's orange and it's binary. Mayor's getting to me. I mean, it's stuff. This is the last one. Thank you, Judy. When we
That's
started,
okay.
I mentioned I wasn't feeling so hot. So this
Okay, so USD.
is 2nd level. It's beginning is 2nd
and
level.
that qualifies for binary.
Okay, let me see if it qualifies for. I'm sure it doesn't, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Doesn't qualify for Forex. How many pips?
Was that 7? Is that 7?
Yes, ma'am. 7.
Yeah.
And price point
Is 105.377.
binary. And okay, is 1st level reset sale. Because it came back and it's testing the 1st level, is resetting and drop some more. So 15-minute.
1st level reset sell.
Yes, ma'am. It's resetting the drop. Now I'm analyzing that it's resetting drop some more. It
Yeah.
can always, and looking at how it's consolidating, it's been ranging back and forth, back and forth.
Mm.
It may go back up and test this again, test that
Mm.
first level and drop some more. But right now it shows that it's setting. Let me not start teaching. I ain't gonna say why, but I see. I'm analyzing. Forgive me, Judy.
4 hour.
4 hour is went back and tested for. It's 4 hour. It's 4 hour first level sale. It's not resetting. It's actually preparing. It came back and did. It's supposed to come back and do what with this, Judy?
Come back to the aqua.
So that lets me in position, because the position where it is, I know what it's telling me what it want to do. So it's 4 hour first level sale. It's not even resetting.
Okay, and that one's an orange.
Okay,
Is that the last one?
that's the
Yeah.
last one. This
Okay.
also works with gold, silver, and everything else. This is oil. Let me go to 15 minutes. That's all oil. I mean, that's silver. This is oil here, the silver. This strategy also works on gold. Let me take this off. Let's see. Yeah. Just something real quick, Judy. Let's see something real quick. All right. So come on. So it tells me. See the EMA?
Yeah.
Reason why it can't break through, because the green EMA represent 3,200 candles. It can't break through. That's why I keep hitting it and bouncing back, hitting it and bouncing
That's
back. And it just so happened to be at the 32. So that tells you that his fib is drawn at the right spot, because that EMA matches up with the fib. That's a strong area. And it keeps ranging between the 786 and the 32. That's why it's ranging. So yeah, go
Okay.
back. It's going to keep ranging. Let me not start teaching, but it's going to keep ranging. What am I doing? Trying to find that field. Anyway, you see it. Okay, so this ends the Forex trading strategy, the Delorean Forex trading strategy hit list that we created for the week of October what week is it, Judy? October the 18th to the
18th, yeah.
23rd.
Yeah.
We always come back during the week. Well, shall I say this week we should start coming back. Judy, will you be available? Say 6 a.m. Central my time would be what time for you?
7 p.m.
So would you be available for at least 30 minutes during that time of the
Yeah,
week?
that's through the week, yes.
Okay, I would like to start coming back at least 30 minutes during the week in the morning to evaluate the hit list, to see what pair is ready to be traded like we did last week.
Yeah.
And when we find those two pairs, then we'll be done for that day. And then we go into the next day. We can also trade binary. Are you okay with doing that?
Yeah, that'll be great.
Okay, so good. We'll come back every morning. We'll start our own show, which means that once you learn this strategy, you really don't have, if you want to become an educator, you can become an educator on your own channel. Now, because we are digital marketers, also known as internet marketers, we know how to market this. That's why we can build online. Right, Judy?
Yeah, that's correct.
And anyone that's building online, that wants to build online, what can we do with them, Judy?
We can help them and show them how to do that.
Yes. Do we have a certain system we use to do
We
this?
do. We have a marketing system we can show people how to use.
And what would be the name of that marketing system?
Builderall.
Ah, say it again.
That's Builderall.
One more time, because it makes my life so much easier.
It is. Builderall's amazing.
Yes.
When
So
you discover Builderall, all your troubles are over.
yes, build all marketing platform, and we're gonna start doing Forex trading, live trading shows on Monday through Friday. But we're also on a Saturday. Judy, would you be okay if we start doing a marketing training also on Saturdays for like an
Yeah.
hour? We won't go long like we went with this binary, like we went with creating this hit list. And in the
No.
future, if you can keep me calm down, we won't spend a whole hour or two doing the hit list. You can keep
That's
me
true.
calm, and I won't be teaching it. So
No.
we can do an hour on the weekend of the class.
Yeah.
And how about while we are doing the marketing training, we show in the back office of Build All what's all back there, like we did at the beginning of this web training.
Yeah, we can just do just little pieces up. There's so much in that back office, Tyree, you couldn't do it all at once, but we can just pick a little piece each week and share that.
Share that. We
Yeah.
can show them how to use the tools. Does training come with how to use those marketing?
Yeah, all the trainings there. There's groups to help you. There's us to help you. What more do you need?
And yeah, and then we have strategies that we can teach, don't we?
As well, yes.
Okay,
We have
so
marketing strategies, yes.
we're gonna start doing that on a Saturday too, and we'll take a 30, not this Saturday, but how about we start after we finish the Delorean strategy, we take a 30-minute break and then start our marketing
Okay.
training. What you think about that, Judy?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay,
We'll plan it all out and have it ready. We can advertise when it's on.
yes, that's right. We can do that. So this is what I'm gonna do. Take that off. I want to do something real quick, Judy, just so they know that we don't just trade with EMAs. We understand how to trade without what is called trading naked, when you don't put anything on the chart. I want to do this real quick if you don't mind. I'm just gonna mark this up. So this is downtrend. And I got those Fibonacci levels on there. If I didn't have that on there, it would be different. So I'm gonna lock that. That's a triangle. Judy, do you remember this, Judy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's trend line. Now, what do you think this pair are gonna do? And then,
Well, we'll have to wait and see if they're going to break that trend line, because they're right on the level.
and it matches up with the fib, but I had already drawn.
Mm.
So yeah, Judy, and it's right in, and it's right in the 650, 618, and then this level here, the small supply level on a small smaller frame when I was trading binary.
But it's in consolidation there, so just got to wait and see what it's going to do.
Yeah. Okay. And again, and this is without indicators. We can see what it's doing. So right now, looking at this trend line, what does it tell you it's doing, Judy? What direction it tell you it's trending?
Well, it's trending in an upward trend. So that's a bullish trend, but at the minute it's just playing around on that level there. So we just have to sit on your hands and wait and see what it does.
And did it retest this trend line here?
Yes.
And then pull back to come back to, so it's creating a wedge. And then when it gets to a certain point in that wedge, it'll let you know what it's gonna do. So again, this just showed that we not only know how to do the Delorean strategy, we also understand how to trade without indicators. We understand how to trade naked. Courtesy of Mr. Curtis Cobain Branch of I Am Academy. And you also can learn this in I Am Academy, how to trade without indicators. So this ends our weekly show. And what is my co-host? What is your name?
My name is Judy Robin Gunn, and I'm a coach and a mentor for Forex trading and your mindset. And I live in Perth in Western Australia.
All right. And I'm Tyree Thomas Jr., Forex trading blogger. I'm also we trade Forex, crypto, and binary. I also coach you and mentor you in Forex trading, crypto trading, binary trading. And Judy, do we have a binary strategy that is like really awesome?
We do. We will share that when you are in our group.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we teach digital marketing, internet marketing training, and we also teach mindset training. She's certified through Your Right to Be Rich. And whose program is that, Judy?
You Were Born Rich, Bob Proctor.
Yes, ma'am. Forgive me. She's certified through Bob Proctor, and also are you
I'm an NLP master practitioner.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so again, let me go ahead and end it. This is Tyree Thomas Jr. I'm with my co-host, Miss Judy Robin Gunn. She's located in Perth, Australia, which is in Western Australia. And I'm in the United States of America, Houston, Texas, the 4th largest city in the United States. Okay, so we'll see you again next week on Saturday, again at 8 a.m. Central my time. And what time would that be your time, Judy?
That's 9 p.m. my time.
And also keep in mind that we're going to mention that we're going to also start teaching marketing. But during the week, our goal is during the week, starting Monday, that we be up at 6 a.m. Central my time for 30 minutes. And what time would that be for your time, Judy?
7 p.m. Perth time.
Okay, so this again ends the week broadcast of this Forex trading, Delorean Forex trading weekly hit list. Motivation is temporary, inspiration is everlasting. We know that God's word is inspiring, therefore is everlasting. Men that were inspired by God wrote God's word, and we know it's still lasting. So you can find that in 1 Timothy chapter 3, verse 16. And I always like to say, because I'm blessed to say, and Judy can verify that I'm here because God still has me here. So through me to you, and with the help of Miss Judy Robin Gunn, we all saying 1, 2, 3. Be blessed.
Be blessed.
Okay. Bye-bye. Let me stop.
Bye.